Iba. Also no. No, yeah, dear, I say.
Mommy. Where's you cry? Yeah, Baha no pa 8. Where's you man about 12? Who's one is one who crevessa? Never soon, reserve cry because I say my ever cannot cry, never my tears, about more interior in the soon the reason why it's here by. And then I say, you're for Fino. What you say, you're for a free minute. I say, we na boaboa ho no ba ni nyina na o ba na ball to na mu free fia na mu jai fie ni maye wo passe fo
no simple
eti bu dia ba danza
o say
fie no me yen tu
fuck off and fuck us na kabi
eti bu dia no parasa woni chop ye o fatia se me tantum ye o fatia se ba ha so for some of my pencil so me 5 cities what me you of fatia not watching it. I never mommy the cool.
I know mommy the cool now. One the cool. And we are saying no yourself from where to order. Shall mommy can some throw. If you still echo. Master bedroom now no ban dan craro. Mu be free horse. Because me no GDS say no of akra or documents in me be master bedroom wa. Ya tomorrow mama me da ho hasia. No be say some person as say and say some person ni na mu be sie. If you know if you think na ekọ ameka say ho ha na mo be da. Yes, ha na be. Papa, no, ni baby about. The place of one is a man. One master bedroom. Now, more can I form a traveling bag, embassy has a more lucky. You ye can busu anga sana ye wa fase fo ne dia ye ane only property
ti no me bre no ja be ku ba na Jennifer na ja ifa
se so wa ko wa nyi se me ka ba ko abeka du me bua enye by the time I be realize so no ma me da bonten na bo se sawa no we na wa ko pia bonten we dey ko so ane challenge me
eti be ba me ba be ti o
e dey na wo ba eti ba ye so ka ma me uto Bugatti uto Ferrari usi fie ma me dia na ya ma me on ko ka se me because you make me one here.
Mane mami kasa sawa tuti me dem.
O challenge mu a. O so mami. O so wu ni mebu a. O mami na bi no kuro su. Ti e ka se tu no su. O je bi su ni bi because I say me be kan no. I feel the tears be flow.
Hey papa,
what are you saying?
Yango what aswe no ka cha me se me no ma na ho.
Nyanko pon na so man se me be di. I'm the messenger of the deliverance of the word. What I am I brought from Martin about for me with every to them Martin.
Mama, me mama didn't call next.
Hey. Adriana now mama the man me do you me come to my flash it.
Flash when
they come to my flash it. What are you talking about? What's me so inside you call school in Nigeria?
Abasito kase godurate
medase
kase godubesu to date
medase
oh me able
to me am so touch
the angwa so
to me am so candle to me am so light na ma share gu so
that the poor peja padie
what you talking about yem peja padie nge go pe bola so mwa
ababisu be
ya sini e wo mfa so re wo so na ne dey e fa so ani so be ye japadie e di ama wo ma e fa so ani se so ba ho no afi no pocket na wonya nkora ni bia dey attack o half actual man never a sleep and say what are you talking about but mo so condition man ya so ne say
wo kon pa de me pa
da that's nice
e bia no so right me ada papa come on
Hey, I don't know what you mean. me kasa mo no. When you swag your car, then when you know hefa. Oh, and then they so say me ba fi school ba be di no. E no ma be fa mu di so.
Me di me nga.
Na mo ni sa wo nya ma, mo ni sa. Ah, me na me nya dwani so fa na me ba na mo fa dwani ni.
Go for free.
Mo fa fi ti di e. Na ha mo adwene. Ah, what has come over you people? Ah.
So good.
Oh, day. And then so do.
Na ba to do me nya. Me mama pani me nya dwani so me ba ho no fi school ba be di no. Mo ma ko fa di. Mo so am de dam no ma ye mo sase. So mo de mo san kan de. E boa. Mo san kan. Me nya na mo fa ni.
What is happening here? What is happening?
Bra ba se. Adwane ba kwa ya ko fa ye bedie. O kasa sa tinte so gwa adwane na asesa me ko.
What is wrong with you? They are in their uncle's house for God's sake. So you can't just let them be with me, mom. Me be do a chikrama. Just let them be. It is they say woman can so of fear aduane so woman to me go fendi. Oh, I see. So you are the reason behind we coming here and our uncle will never give us food until we leave this place, right? This year free her. Yeah, but Serrano could have been a crab boy, and now he's dead and gone. We are taking over. They feel food at the kitchen. You don't want them to eat the food, right?
But it's why I so I can do. I just said I don't want them to eat the food. Oh, my ma. It's a bit because you have so many power no more.
You are a mother for God's sake. What is wrong if you cook for them to eat? What is wrong with it? When are you even leaving this house? That man will be free her. Yeah, because I've already given you time, and now my sisters are eating from the kitchen, and you are telling them they should have taken the food to eat. You have to be thinking about where you are going to sleep, and stop worrying about the food that they are eating. Let them be, please. Let them be.
I'm so bad, bro. Because I'm morning go.
All the curses is going to be in vain. I don't really care. You can do whatever you want.
Abai fon so no me te pa o abai akura ni kire se ma me te me na na si osu de we so ya me te pa me boy akura de me ntimi nsu ya won hwa de abai fon ya won hwa mo ya me nsu ne ba won
ba plate ne ko me so ka
enyo na so ya kon apɛ de too much di self mo so wa ya ko che sa me esa oh we na ma fa pe ni ba che me de papa ya che ah o sha bo bono for sa de
and funny e kwa mama shempa bo akura wo twem yiririza
ban be se me kan se me chiro
asembe
so ni se me no nyo de e bibia abum
yeah
bro se ma me de nti otifo nyina e because of adobi antia
because
one ye ofa awunti a omo wo banti na ejapade na oba benya bi nti ade nti na uma yenyi obia ye mfi
there be no there yes and ya cross boundaries
bro ye akwa ni fu a eno no ono onim ofani ba bia ma be de na ya be ku ejapade ho
ye nku adobia
ye ku adobia firi ho
how yes smart o pamo ya pamo na oda so di akone ba ofie nyina because oni ye ofa no wo adobia it that means akra no betima inherit ejapade no
good
ti akra no wudia
why na ne mo fa wo na odi da so ti mo fa fie because akra ni ti e pam na ko fa ba ka say e ni pa bone fo obi oni ye ofa awo e na ye pam na si abonti ti ni adobia firi ho
ti ane be ni say ye nko na physical na e be ko na style
physical de buru anu edi no so ta de adobia aduane si kitchen ho so drum ma kwa ni fisku no odi anu ana say no ane no ane sa de adu agu ma
na omo ye de ahye no say oku ye wo fa say onu ase ku ni ban
bro
good idea
bebo
na dro no obi o
obi se me bad
so wo bon
ne hunnim se onya bad adwumpo ne adwum bi te de madam meeting go do adwum ni ntia
ye nya ni bad ti me de be ni se wona ade aduro ni begu
Bro, me no miolu na libe go me me fa jan me bibi na de duro.
Me met chama na de.
Tete ma me abro na e be man de na ase usura de.
Sana semba na echie ni ejeli ya wo de na do so a chen me.
Bro ne ti that wo dwini je o. Obi na kokko
chi. Ase de odwin papa no adwin bo.
Ye ntie ade no, wana ye aduane, wana ye aduane. Ife me ye aduane. Wana ye aduane nso, ena aduane so wana de siw ba nso na de aduane go. Ipa ni bedi go a. To wa di bugna me take it.
Ye fast na ye fa.
To de fast na fast.
Fast.
Then ase usura nya be ma bi mana.
Me be ma.
Asa kwa top baby ane, bro. Very soft tight. Ele tini o mi ase.
Adobia. 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 Adobia.
Hey, baby, I said to you.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. But you prepared the food. You prepared the food. And she ate it. I'm going to call the elders. I'm going to tell everyone in the family member that you have finally killed my sister too.
It's not my mom.
I prepared the food myself. I can't kill your sister. Why should I kill her for?
Kate! It's not my mom. My mom can never do this. I believe my mom. My mom can never do this.
It's too bright. It's too time. I'm too time for you.
young boy, no, boy, young boy.
Adobia. Boy, you would have brought out the old devil so.
Make a choice idea, ye, who said I can't be she and I see a pumpkin. Or two bob Diana.
We didn't have a big casabe. I didn't see the way we did it.
You're from going.
Say, no, being farming a year. And
I'm Miss Mafia Bush, and for a catch you almost a man in the coon. Is it what in the end?
Inyanu o Kristo Sansora bitu na yewuse onyami wafa kontra ni mpaibo na isududwa ubo mpaino na uwa oni sora nu ya dosu da na uni e ufa ye wasutie mase why can say yes so dear I come funyami oh nye untimi why twede ponyami na wanchi shepe bia bema sitina eti sonimu Mamu sam nada I say yami down now bele yebeu sonimu ye mamu sam nada I say yami down now bele